Welcome to our channel, where we explore the mysteries and magic of tarot readings. In this video, we'll be looking at 14 powerful combinations of the Magician card in tarot reading. As you may know, the Magician is a card of manifestation, transformation, and energy. It represents the power of taking action, channeling your energy, and using your skills and resources to make your dreams come true. So, let's dive into these 14 amazing combinations and see what they can reveal about your life, love, and business. Combination number 1, the Magician and Ace of Cups. This combination suggests the power of new beginnings and the potential for emotional fulfillment. It can indicate that you have the tools and resources needed to create positive changes in your emotional life. Be open to new opportunities and trust your intuition to guide you towards what will bring you happiness. In a love reading, the Magician and Ace of Cups together can indicate the start of a new relationship or the deepening of an existing one. This can be a time of emotional awakening, where you are able to connect with your feelings and express them openly with your partner. It can also suggest a time of emotional healing, where you are able to release any past hurts and move forward with a new sense of hope and optimism. In a business context, this combination can suggest the potential for a new project or partnership that will bring emotional fulfillment and success. It can also indicate the importance of trusting your instincts and using your creativity to bring your ideas to fruition. Be open to new opportunities and trust in your abilities to manifest success. Combination number 2, the Magician and Two of Cups. The combination of the Magician and Two of Cups suggests the power of partnership and the potential for harmonious relationships. This can indicate a time of cooperation and mutual understanding, where both parties are able to work together towards a common goal. In a love reading, this combination can indicate the potential for a new relationship or the deepening of an existing one. It can suggest a time of emotional connection and mutual understanding, where both partners are able to express their feelings and work together towards a shared vision of the future. In a business context, this combination can suggest the importance of partnerships and collaborations. It can indicate a time of cooperation and mutual understanding, where all parties are able to work together towards a common goal. This can also suggest the potential for successful negotiations and the ability to come to a mutually beneficial agreement. Combination number 3, the Magician and Three of Cups. The combination of the Magician and Three of Cups suggests a time of celebration and emotional fulfillment. This can indicate a time of joy and happiness, where you are able to connect with others and celebrate your successes together. In a love reading, this combination can indicate a time of celebration and emotional fulfillment in a relationship. It can suggest a time of joy and happiness, where you and your partner are able to celebrate your love and the good times that you share. In a business context, this combination can indicate a time of celebration and success. It can suggest that your hard work and dedication has paid off, and that you are able to enjoy the rewards of your efforts. This can also indicate the importance of connecting with others and celebrating your successes together. Combination number 4, the Magician and Four of Cups. The combination of the Magician and Four of Cups suggests the potential for emotional stagnation and a lack of fulfillment. This can indicate a time of feeling stuck or uninspired, and the need to look for new opportunities to reignite your passions. In a love reading, this combination can indicate a time of emotional dissatisfaction or disconnection in a relationship. It can suggest a need to communicate openly with your partner and to look for new ways to connect and reignite the passion between you. In a business context, this combination can indicate a time of feeling stuck or uninspired in your work. It can suggest the need to look for new opportunities or to use your creativity to find new solutions to existing problems. This can also indicate the importance of being open to new ideas and perspectives in order to find success. Combination number 5, the Magician and the Five of Cups. The combinations of the Magician and the Five of Cups can suggest a need for healing and transformation after a difficult loss or disappointment. The Magician's power to manifest can help you to move on from the past and embrace new opportunities. It may be a time to focus on self-care and finding joy in the present moment. In a love reading, the Magician and the Five of Cups can indicate that healing is needed in the relationship after a difficult time. The Magician's energy can help you to manifest a positive outcome and bring new life into the relationship. It may be a time to focus on forgiveness and rebuilding trust. In a business context, the Magician and the Five of Cups can suggest that it's time to let go of past failures and disappointments and focus on new opportunities. The Magician's power to manifest can help you to move forward and create positive changes in your business. It may be a time to reevaluate your strategies and approach things from a new perspective. Combination number 6, the Magician and the Six of Cups. The combination of the Magician and the Six of Cups can suggest a focus on nostalgia and memories from the past. The Magician's manifestation abilities can help you to find new ways to bring joy and happiness into your life. It may be a time to reconnect with old friends or revisit old hobbies. In a love reading, the Magician and the Six of Cups can indicate a focus on the past and finding comfort in memories. The Magician's energy can help you to manifest positive changes in the relationship and bring new life into it. It may be a time to focus on creating new memories together. In a business context, the Magician and the Six of Cups can suggest that it's time to revisit old ideas or strategies and find new ways to apply them. The Magician's power to manifest can help you to create positive changes and bring new energy to your business. It may be a time to focus on creativity and finding new solutions to old problems. Combination number 7, the Magician and the Seven of Cups. The combination of the Magician and the Seven of Cups can suggest a need to focus on clarity and making decisions. The Magician's power to manifest can help you to bring your desires into reality, but you need to be clear on what you want. It may be a time to let go of distractions and focus on what truly matters. In a love reading, the Magician and the Seven of Cups can indicate a need to focus on what you truly want in a relationship. The Magician's energy can help you to manifest a positive outcome, but you need to be clear on your desires. It may be a time to let go of unrealistic expectations and focus on what is truly important. In a business context, the Magician and the Seven of Cups can suggest a need to focus on clear goals and strategies. The Magician's power to manifest can help you to achieve your desires, but you need to be clear on what you want to achieve. It may be a time to let go of distractions and focus on what is truly important for your business. Combination number 8, the Magician and Eight of Cups. The Magician and Eight of Cups combination suggests a time of moving on and leaving behind what no longer serves you. You have the ability to manifest new beginnings and create the life you desire. This combination can also indicate a time of self-discovery and personal growth as you seek out your true purpose. In a love reading, this combination may suggest that it's time to let go of a past relationship and move forward towards a brighter future. For those in a committed relationship, it could mean taking steps towards a deeper level of emotional connection and intimacy. In a business reading, this combination can indicate that it's time to take risks and pursue new opportunities. Trust in your instincts and don't be afraid to take bold actions to move your career or business forward. Combination number 9, the Magician and Nine of Cups. The Magician and Nine of Cups combination represents a time of fulfillment and satisfaction. You have the ability to manifest your dreams and desires, and your hard work is paying off. This combination can also indicate a time of emotional and spiritual fulfillment, as you feel content and at peace with yourself. In a love reading, this combination may suggest a time of emotional fulfillment and happiness with your partner. It could also indicate that new romantic opportunities are on the horizon. In a business reading, this combination can indicate that your hard work and dedication are paying off, and you're experiencing success and fulfillment in your career or business. Combination number 10, the Magician and Ten of Cups. The Magician and Ten of Cups combination represents a time of emotional and spiritual fulfillment, as well as material abundance and success. You have the ability to create the life you desire, and you're experiencing happiness and contentment in all areas of your life. In a love reading, this combination may suggest a happy and fulfilling relationship or the possibility of finding your soulmate. It could also indicate a time of emotional harmony and balance with your partner. In a business reading, this combination can indicate that you're experiencing success and abundance in your career or business, and you're able to find a balance between your professional and personal life. This combination may also suggest that it's time to share your success and abundance with others and give back to your community. Combination number 11, the Magician and the Page of Cups. The combination of the Magician and the Page of Cups can suggest a time of creativity and new beginnings. This pairing can represent the spark of inspiration that leads to new projects, ideas, and relationships. The Page of Cups brings a message of emotional openness and receptivity, encouraging you to trust your intuition and follow your heart. The Magician adds a dose of confidence and willpower, giving you the ability to turn your ideas into reality. In a love context, the Magician and Page of Cups can represent the start of a new relationship or a time of emotional connection and openness. The Page of Cups is often associated with young love and infatuation, while the Magician brings the power to manifest your desires and make things happen. Together, this combination suggests a time of creativity, emotional exploration, and growth in your relationships. In a business context, the Magician and Page of Cups can represent a new project or venture that is fueled by creativity and inspiration. This combination suggests a need to trust your intuition and take a chance on something new. The Page of Cups brings a message of emotional openness and receptivity, which can be helpful in networking and building connections. The Magician adds a dose of willpower and confidence, giving you the ability to take action and make your ideas a reality. Combination number 12. The combination of the Magician and the Knight of Cups can suggest a time of creativity, inspiration, and emotional depth. This combination encourages you to take action on your feelings and pursue your passions with enthusiasm and determination. You have the power to make your dreams a reality, and this combination can indicate that the universe is supporting you in your endeavors. In a love context, this combination suggests a passionate and romantic connection with someone who is full of emotional depth and creative energy. The Knight of Cups is a symbol of emotional expression and the pursuit of romantic ideals, and when combined with the Magician's power and manifestation abilities, this pairing can indicate a strong, soulful connection that has the potential to manifest into a long-term partnership. In a business context, the combination of the Magician and the Knight of Cups can indicate a time of creative inspiration and emotional intelligence. This combination suggests that it's a good time to trust your intuition and pursue your passions with a strategic and focused approach. The Knight of Cups also suggests the need to be flexible and adaptable in your approach to work, while the Magician encourages you to take control of your destiny and make things happen. Overall, this combination can indicate success and fulfillment in creative or artistic endeavors. Combination number 13, the Magician and the Queen of Cups. The combination of the Magician and the Queen of Cups suggests a powerful combination of creativity, intuition, and manifestation. The Queen of Cups represents emotional maturity, nurturing, and compassion, and when paired with the Magician, she enhances his abilities to manifest his desires through emotional intelligence and intuition. In a love reading, this combination could suggest a strong emotional connection with a partner who is compassionate and caring, and who supports your creative endeavors. This could be a time to explore your emotions and connect with your partner on a deeper level. In a business context, this combination can suggest the need to balance your emotions with your practical abilities. Trust your intuition and emotional intelligence to guide your decisions, but also be sure to take action and manifest your ideas into reality. This is a time to tap into your creativity and connect with others on an emotional level to achieve success. Combination number 14. The Magician and the King of Cups. The combination of the Magician and the King of Cups suggests a powerful union of intellect and emotion. This combination can indicate a deep understanding of oneself and the ability to control one's feelings to achieve desired outcomes. It may suggest a time to tap into your intuition and emotions to find balance and harmony in your personal and professional life. In a relationship context, this combination may indicate a mature and emotionally intelligent partner who values open communication and deep connections. In a love context, the combination of the Magician and the King of Cups may suggest a strong, supportive, and loving partner who values deep emotional connections. It can also suggest a period of emotional growth and balance within the relationship, where both partners are able to communicate openly and honestly. If you are single, this combination can suggest a need to focus on emotional growth and balance within yourself before pursuing a relationship. In a business context, the combination of the Magician and the King of Cups may indicate a need to balance intellect and emotion in decision-making. It can suggest the importance of creating a supportive and positive work environment that values emotional intelligence and open communication. This combination may also indicate the presence of a mentor or advisor who can provide emotional support and guidance in your career. Remember, tarot is a powerful tool that can help you gain insights and guidance for your life's journey. It can illuminate hidden truths, reveal new perspectives, and empower you to make positive changes. However, it's important to approach tarot with respect, empathy, and an open mind. Tarot is not a magic solution or a quick fix, but rather a pathway to self-awareness and growth. So, take your time, trust your intuition, and be gentle with yourself as you explore the mysteries of the tarot. Thank you for watching, and may the magic of the tarot guide you on your path.